Hello friends, welcome to Yadnya Investment Academy. Today we will see what is the difference between trading and investing. So there are five factors which differentiate trading and investing. So these five factors are: first, in trading there are frequent trades. So what are frequent trades? So it means frequently you are buying and selling. The objective is just to take advantage of the price fluctuations. Those price fluctuations can be intraday or interday. Interday means like 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, something like that. But the objective is plain and simple. There you are buying a security just to make some kind of profit through trading. But in investing, it is a buy and hold strategy. When you are investing into a company, you are actually holding that company. You are becoming a shareholder of that company. So it is a buy and hold long term approach. So it will gradually build your wealth over an extended period of time through buying and holding a portfolio of stocks or funds. In trading, you are majorly focusing on short term gains. So, short term gains by taking advantage of volatility through buying and selling. Vis-a-vis in investing, it is all about compounding. Compounding means interest on interest, returns on returns. So, automatically, it enhances your profits through compounding. Then the third point is in trading, the approach is very short term. The investment horizon could be from minutes to maybe days, some days. But in investing, it is all about years or decades, we can say. So it is very long term. So investments are held for years or even decades. And in trading, investments can be as short as few minutes. Then the focus on from in trading, the focus is on finding out short-term trends of underlying assets, price movements. So typically, means say example, we will try and give you a few examples. So there are some policy announcements like there is a interest rate hike or interest rate cut. So typically traders will go and take positions in banking stocks. If they are feeling that interest rates are going to go up, then they will short banking stocks. And if interest rates are going down, they will buy banking stocks. So because it is automatically the net interest margins will be more and the profits could be more. The short-term fluctuation is demand will increase and prices will go up. But in investing, there is no focus on short-term fluctuations. Investing is for real long term. You will discount the future cash flows like for 1 year, 3 year, 5 years, 10 years kind of thing, and then you will invest in that particular company. In trading, the major focus will be on technical analysis, like they will focus on charts or graphs, and then they will find out the trends. So what are the bullish trends or bearish trends, and then typically average what is like monthly average of that means that portfolio, 200-day moving or average of that portfolio. But in investing, it is not like that. It is investing, it is all about the basic idea of that business, how that business is going to grow, what kind of profitability growth will be there. So it's like you are more majorly focusing on the price to book ratio, price to equity ratio, and the management or the governance, corporate governance of that company. So these are five major factors which differentiate trading versus investing. So friends, we hope that you would have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please share it with your friends and family members. We are going to make a lot of stock videos on these ideas, majorly for investing side. So our focus will not be on trading. We are not going to give you a buy on this day and sell on that day, or buy at this price and sell on that price kind of recommendations. Our major recommendations would be like buy and hold strategies for real long term. We would like to help you in building your real long term portfolio. Those portfolios could be for generations. So we hope that you will understand, and then only you will join our membership of our Yadnya channel. So though there we are going to make even Hindi videos also and English videos also. So friends, keep watching our YouTube channel until then. Happy investing. Jai Hind.